Microsoft Word is one of the most powerful tools for writing, but even experienced users often make simple mistakes that can slow them down or make documents look unprofessional. In this video, we'll go over 5 common word mistakes and how to fix them, without showing a screen demo so you can follow along easily. The first common mistake is overusing spaces and tabs for formatting. Many people press the spacebar multiple times to align text or create indents, but this can break formatting when you change fonts or margins. The fix? Use styles and tab stops instead. Styles keep headings and paragraphs consistent, while tab stops ensure text aligns perfectly without extra spaces. Second is ignoring proper headings and structure. People often just bold text or increase the font size for titles, which makes it hard to navigate long documents or create a table of contents. Using Word's built-in heading styles not only makes your document organized, but also works seamlessly with the navigation pane for quick navigation. The third mistake is forgetting to remove tracked changes and comments before sharing. Sending a document with leftover edits or comments can look unprofessional or reveal sensitive information. Always use the Accept Reject Changes option and run Document Inspector to clean your file before sharing. Fourth, many users manually number lists or bullets instead of using Word's automatic lists. This can lead to errors if you add or remove items. The solution is to use Numbering and Bullets tools, which automatically adjust numbering and keep everything aligned. It's cleaner, faster, and reduces mistakes. Finally, the fifth mistake is copy-pasting text without cleaning formatting. When you copy text from websites or PDFs, Word may carry over fonts, colors, or styles that clash with your document. To fix this, use Paste Special. Keep text only or Control plus spacebar to reset formatting and keep your document consistent. By avoiding these 5 common word mistakes, overusing spaces, skipping proper headings, forgetting tracked changes, manually numbering lists, and pasting unformatted text, you'll save time and make your documents look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Word tips, tutorials, and productivity hacks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.